Hi from the other Moldiar here. So, quick announcement. I will probably give my laptop on a warranty to the computer shop where I bought him. So, it is possible that I will not be having this laptop for some time, so I will not be able to stream. I don't think if at all. Maybe I'll find a way, like I buy a webcam and stream from my significant other's computer, but that's optional. That's an option. I will see how it will go. But I will finish this game. I have time till Sunday. So since it's Friday today, I plan on implementing all the basic mechanics that need to be in the game. And tomorrow we will polish it. Menu and maybe sounds even. I will probably not use sounds from my own creation. I will use some public domain sounds probably. I will see. Anyway, let's jump into it because we don't have much time. Not that I want to end early today, but we don't have much time in terms of the game jam. So, the game is at this stage after my multiple modifications. It will probably lag like hell because I am still having issues with my laptop, as mentioned. But since we have this snake, it runs around, we can control it, no problem. We can add segments. And this is actually the most important bit here. Yeah, the lags do create this issue with the retracting tail. It shouldn't be like this, but boom, we died. And boom, we also died. Oh my, how did I do that? I died a lot. And trying to get back is almost impossible. Like, no joke. Yeah. In any case, you see how it looks like for now. When the player hits the wall, he dies. I don't care for slipping between the walls because he will not be there at this moment. I'm eating chocolate right now. Okay. Let's get into it. We need for the worm to die. And that is, I need to know what parts he has so I can delete them from the scene the moment he dies. So first of all, let's create this private list. No, it's a list of body parts. So it will be worm body. Body segments. Let's instantiate this now. Oh, by the way, we need the generics. Cool. Now, body segments equals new. What is this? Worm body. I don't need this global thing. It's the first time I see that, actually. Okay. Now, every time we call add body, we take this and also add last segment to the list. No. Yes. Yes, yes. Because I don't want the head to be there. I want the head to be as acting separately. So the last segment, yes. So body segments dot add last segment. I will go with the game object thing, because I actually don't need to have access to the worm body because I have no publics here. This is just a following thing. So now, since we have, sorry for that, too far. Instead of worm body, I need this. Save. Okay, so now, since we have that, I can create the depth of the snake. Here are some debug options, by the way. And they work only on the debug build, or so am I told. Add body, update. Here is the on trigger enter. Okay, so here will be private void worms depth. Why did I add an S there? So worms depth happens on those two occasions. Yeah, I don't care. Both of them will be just the same. So first of all, I want to start an IEnumerator here. So this will be a private IEnumerator. Destroy body void. And yeah, this is actually enough. So while body segments dot count is higher than 0, do this. And yield return new wait for seconds 0.1f. And first of all, this will be like this. Start coroutine, destroy body. Yeah. And after this whole thing will happen, I will call destroy head. What am I doing, actually? And destroy head will be just below that. Okay. For now, nothing. But for the body segments, it will be like this. Destroy body segments dot last, find last. Can I do -1 as for the last object? Yeah, I don't need to Google that. array -1 C#. I encountered the reason why I need to give it on a warranty. It isn't acting up to its hardware, and the hardware isn't bad. I have a 2 or 4 core processor. I have 8 gigabytes of RAM. It should be enough from the hardware standpoint, but it isn't enough after 4.5 years. And yes, I still have a valid warranty. Don't worry about that. Anyway, since I don't know if this is valid, I'll keep it for now. So first of all, we start the coroutine on worm staff. Now, while we have any body segments, we destroy them. And after which we destroy the head. And for the destruction of the head, there will be just destroy game object. Boom, like this. And with this destroy game object, there will be more implications, but for now, it's just this. They will just disappear from the scene. Yeah, and Opera is totally hung. Nothing. There's nothing I can do right now. I'll just kill it. So no chat for now. Don't worry. I'll restore everything in a moment. So this will be C# array -1. So is there -1? Last element. Finding the last index of an array. No, I want the last element. It should work with just last, like this. But it's not because it's an array operation. So it would be 2 array. Oh, yeah. The thing is, I'm not doing it on the correct thing. So here, so last should be giving me the last thing. Actually, I can just go ahead and do count -1. Body segments dot count -1. Why wasn't I thinking about that in the first place? Anyhow. Okay, we are still streaming. Just have to check. Okay. I think that this should be enough. So worms def on both cases. Like this. And by the way, worm staff will trigger game over. So game over equals true. And let's define game over here. Private bool game over equals false. And while game over is false, we can move. If not game over, bad place, bad spot. I can actually go to the update here and just do this. Boom. So the update happens only if it's not game over. And now we are ready to die. 2 times, actually. No replayability for now. Yeah, build it. So there's also no risk of accidental death because I created colliders on the head of the snake to prevent that. I need to be longer for that to happen, actually. Oh, and the computer is running smoothly. He heard probably what I was talking about. Yeah, let's create a lot for this tail. Now, let's die. Boom. I need to stop the movement. Move worm is still working. Wait. Game over equals true. I lost control. The camera is no longer following it. The worm is no longer rotating, and move worm. Where is move worm? Oh, the tail is moving him. Oh my. Yeah. That is problematic. So what I'm gonna need is for snake. Yeah, for snake to keep this information. Snake is my master controller here. He just calls the level builder for now, so he will have the game over thing. Not worm body, but snake here. Cool. So he knows what game over is. And I now need to see the game controller. Yes. And snake should forward this to the worm and worm body, or rather, worm body should call for that information or know it. So it should be private static. Save. Nice. Now I should be able to do this. If snake dot game over and why is that? Oh, it's inaccessible. Cool. And the same goes here. Snake dot game over equals true, and snake dot game over. Cool. So now it just should get to the point. Bam! I'm dead. I want to add more segments to that snake. So, hi. Not much happening, isn't it? So while body segments that count as higher than 0, destroy body segments dot game object. Sorry. Again. Yeah, let's go top. Boom. I cannot move. The last segment is destroyed. A little slower. Yeah, body segments dot remove. Actually, I need to remove last. So yeah, I know what I'm gonna do. It will be looking like this. I'm going to var body part equals this. Nice. Now we will first remove this body part from the list. And then we will destroy body part. Nice. Now, what is my safety net here? I have none, actually. Let's create more and wait till it stops lagging. I'm not very fond of this problem. Please stop. Huh. So, I need to add more and wait till it becomes smooth. Because that's the problem of my laptop. It isn't bad. It's working decently. But it has those segments. I deduce that it might be a problem with the RAM. Segments of RAM that just go bonkers. And here we have it. Boom. So we have this. And the last bit that we need actually in this whole scenario is the food that adds body parts. So let's create a food object. I'll create a graphic for this. Paint net. There will be only one food item actually for now. And since it's a dungeon, I need for it to look actually pretty good as a food item. It could be a mouse. Or something else. No, we will not give into temptation. No, what am I doing? I want a new canvas. Actually, let's open up snake body. Let's see how big it is, because this will be my reference. Copy that, new. 64 by 64, okay, I can dig that. So this will be smaller than the snake body. So let's create a new layer. Let's go ahead and what do snakes eat? Snakes eat eggs of other animals or dungeon monsters. It will be an egg. So let's go ahead with it, with this idea. I love it. So I want to go from this corner. Oh, it's irregular, I guess. Yeah, like this. Let's hide this here. Nice. Okay, so we have this. Now, what I need is to select this portion of this circle. And just do this. It looks a lot like an egg now. I can move it down a little bit. And now I can resize it, which is actually pretty important for me now. Oh, this is a decently looking egg. Right here. Show me the middle. Yeah, this is it. Exactly. Okay, so now let's add some flair to this egg by first of all making all the edges good. So here we have, yeah, I need to exchange this to an alpha. Okay, now 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, boom, like this. And we need this here. Cool. Now, actually this, okay, this, and this. So this, okay, all right. No, we're going to destroy those. Yeah. And now we destroy this. We get rid of this, this, and those. And this looks different and strange. Or not, it looks pretty decent. I heard that one before. Yeah, if we look from afar, it's very eggy. Now, we want the egg to be in a specific shade of a creamy yellow, like this. Okay, now what I need is a darker shade for the shell, the outer shell. Let's fill in the outer shell now. Now I want the outer shell will actually be even darker than that. This. Now the inside. The fill-in option. It made more problems for me that it updates than it actually was useful. But I must say it's pretty useful anyway. So this goes like this. And now we do a highlight. Like, no. No, wow. Again, the fill-in method. Stop it. 5. Now let's do a blob of light right here. And I need this color in the secondary. Cool. And now I'm taking okay. I'm doing this. Now this looks like a patch. So I'm gonna place this here, this here, this here as my three primary colors. Now, I need this to create more of this patch here. Like this. I need this to create this blink here. Now let's look at it. And now I need more of this to make it more of a round shape of light. Now we have, yeah, it looks like an egg. Almost. Now what I need more is this shade, but a little lighter than that. Fine, yeah. And create this here. Cool. Now I can safely go ahead and select this, delete it, and get rid of this layer, and save. And create egg, and save. So this is the story of the game. You are a worm that feeds off of monster eggs in a dungeon. Booyah! Love it. Okay. Let's go to Unity. Oh, my laptop is acting up again. So, sprites. Here we have the egg. Oh, it looks so awesome. I am astounded with how good this looks. Yeah. So, we need to create prefab out of it. So let's get nice and near. Oh, by the way, I need to actually stop that. So I need the point no filter apply. Cool. Now let's create an empty egg. No, actually, what am I doing? Let's create an empty 2D object sprite. I was so happy with myself. Egg. Nice. This is so nice. From afar, especially. By the way, I need to make the camera a little smaller, like 7. But that's just on the side note. So prefabs, let's create this egg thingy. Oh, by the way, let's go to 0, 0 with it. Hi there. And prefabify it. Let's create a tag for it. Egg. You should update. You updated. Cool. So we don't need anything else actually, because the worm body has the script because it needs to move, but the egg will randomly appear. Actually, no, it will not randomly appear. Yeah. Actually, it will spawn a specific number of eggs where there's no wall. So I'm gonna go through the whole thing and spawn on a -z higher an egg somewhere on the screen. 5 to be precise. Sounds good? Sounds good. Let's get cracking. So let's get rid of this right now. Let's save this. Let's see if it still works. The game, I mean. Let's see how it lags. It's not so bad. It could be worse. Boom. And we're dying. Yeah, I need to make this animation quicker now. Don't I? Like this. 2 times quicker. Okay, now the control of placing the eggs will not be snakes, neither level. Okay, actually, it should be level builder. Yeah. So it will be place, destroy alt layout, place tiles, place worm, place eggs. Let's create this place eggs. Now, it takes the tiles it already has and creates a list of locations. Bar possible egg locations equals tiles dot where x dot. Yeah, I need to get rid of x dot. The tile is a game object. So get component. No, wait. Does the tile know itself? This is my question. Yes, it should. Wow, that was coordinates and type. Public tile type. Tile. Ah, no. Traversable. Public bool traversable. Nice. Now the level builder will assign this. So coordinate. Where is the here? Coordinates this and yeah, since I'm using it twice, I can already get rid of this. So var tile class equals this. This is bad practice. This is like tile component. Yeah, it will be less of an issue. So tile component coordinate and tile component dot traversable equals my if the tile is a 1, it's a floor, so it's traversable. So determine tile. So determine tile gives me a game object that is a tile based on the int layout thing. So this will be private bool determine traversability int ID. Determine traversability, paste this. And now I just copy that. False, if 0, false, and if 1, true. Cool. Now, level builder here on top can take this x dot get component on every tile. Oh my. This will be an overkill. But since I have it built like this, I have no other way around now. Dot traversable. Yeah. Now, I need a random number, random dot range. And now we have a ambiguity, Unity engine random. Range is this. Yeah, this is this. Range from 0 to possible egg locations dot count. List of game objects. Yeah, dot to list. Nice. Okay, so I need a random number. Var random location equals this. And now I need to do one more thing. I'm having the worm here. So public game object egg so var egg equals instantiate egg on possible egg locations, random location dot position dot transform dot position. Wow. Quaternion identity. Yeah. And I will create now a public. No, I will not create a public here. I will go to the level and create here a public int amount of eggs and define it in the level itself. As soon as it compiles, of course. Yeah, I want for this map to have 5 eggs. So, this is the thing. We want to get longer and longer. This is our main goal. But for now, the game is very easy. It's not a game yet. We're getting to that. Okay, so we now have the amount of eggs. I was thinking too far ahead for now. I will then do the amount of eggs thing here. int amount of eggs layout dot amount of eggs. But for now, I will just see if the place eggs method places the egg. It will not. I'm sorry, it will not. Yeah. I'm brilliant. How can I be so brilliant with myself? So there is an egg somewhere. Or not. I need to change the Z level. That position. Yeah. Let's go copy that. Var new egg position. Is this. New egg position dot z minus 1 minus equals 1. Save. Okay, this should be better now. Now we should see the egg actually appearing here. Yeah, here it is. There won't happen anything right now. But now we can go ahead here and add another collision controller. If it is an egg, and we are... Actually, if it is an egg, we don't care. And we delete this. Now, of course, this won't work yet because the egg needs, as the worm body, a collider, which we will provide. So, could you? Collider, edge collider. No. I just thought that. Nah, I will use a simple circle collider. I will not. I don't need to actually play around with anything more. So radius will be 0.1, 17, 15, 14. Yeah, 14. This sounds okay. And it should be a trigger. Does it need to be a trigger? It doesn't need to be a trigger. Yeah. Fair enough. Because none of those are triggers. What the heck? Yeah, I will see in the logs in a moment. The egg is somewhere here in the scene. Here it is. Yeah, it needs to be a trigger. Oh, hi, apply. Now apply. And get rid of you. And let's play. Oh, here it is. Oh boy, an egg! So, this is it. Now I can do this. Add body. Actually, I should make the add body method loopable, but that's fine for now. Destroy other dot game object. Nice. Here it is. We have 3 segments and we want a 4th one. Yes. Yes. Okay. So this is a big arena. But here's another thing. I want to add more levels to that game. Not only the first one that we see here. I want to add more levels, as in add the possibility to lose more easily. Because now we have a working thing. Slowly. Possible egg locations, we get this once, random location, and this is where we need a for loop. For int I equals 0, I is smaller than amount of eggs, I plus plus, do this. Now it will place 5 eggs on the arena. Yeah, I ate 1 already, like immediately in front of me. I missed. The lags killed me. How funny! When I turn and there are lags, I collapse into myself. Oh. Nice! And the last one, and we collapse into the... Oh, we managed to escape death. Somehow I'm pretty sure that the tail shouldn't look like this. But I won't complain. It looks acceptable if it's just like going like this. Yeah, I'll let it stay for now. Okay, so this is actually it. We have a working egg placer now. Let's make it more compact. Now, I want a few more things for this game to be valid. I want to add more levels, and I want stairs. So let's take this floor tile, open it up in Explorer, and add a specific floor tile for stairs. I can dig where I started. This here. Now, edit. We need 2 types of stairs. Down, that are just showing where we begin, and up. And what I'm gonna do is select this portion here and change this into stairs. So let's delete this. Let's go here and actually make sure that we have everything in place as we should. So this goes like this. This goes like this. Yeah. Is there anything else that connects to that? Yeah, here. So we can do this. Actually, no, we need to do this. Okay, this. this. And here. Here's the last one. Now, okay, this. No, actually, okay, this. Okay, let's see. Do we have a solid border around the middle? Yes, we do. Okay. Now, this thing will be placed on a tile as showing that this is a way down. So let's create a circle in it. It will have just one for the border. It has to be a circle. Could you not? Cool. Nice. And actually, I need this color. Get away from the middle. Here, like this. Cool. Actually, no. From here, like this. Now, let's add those here. Corners. That was stupid. Since this is a top view, it would be very hard for me to show how the stairs are very stairy. Therefore, I decided to make them more wait a second, I'll add just this selection here. No. No. Add this. And this. About the tolerance. Yeah, like this. Nice. Now, I want to inverse the selection. Reverse the selection. Yeah, like this. Copy that. And now, look at this magic. I'm done. Dabudi dabudai. Wait a minute. Yeah, it can work if I place it on a layer below. So there will be 3 layers for this. Copy, paste. Please no. Copy that. Let's go to this layer. Paste it. Like this. Actually, I don't need the other layers. I just need this one. Paste like this. Paste like this. And as you can see here, we already have a working approach to things. Boom. This is mighty fine. Now I'll just take this. Oh, by the way, I can merge those because I have an idea what I want to do. And now P. This. Cool. Now I'll select this corner, the whole of it, copy, paste. Now let's move him to this side. And done. Now paste. Okay, this sounds about right, almost, because I will need to add the shading properly. And the last one. I stretched it so much from fear that I would lose information, but in the end I shouldn't have been doing it. Okay, now let's fix up all those here. So K and P. So we have this light color going all around. Now I need the darker one. Add it here. Like this. Actually, light falls from the top. Therefore, I should be able to, again with this, do something like this. And this looks quite normal. Yeah, I dig that. Yeah. So it's more like, oh, and here will be more of the dark part. So yeah, I dig that. Okay, now here will be only light. Okay, this. Right here. Now this is slowly shaping up to look very good. Now here the top. Now, okay. This here will look like this. Yeah. And okay, and this. Cool. I just have to fix this bit here because I am ununiversal in my rules. And this is the last one. I don't know what happened here, but I'm gonna fix that. Have all those tiles the same issue on this specific one? I'm gonna look into that later. Oh, so here is the dealio. This bit, no, it will be light. Let there be light. P, P, P. I'm saying P because this is the keyboard shortcut for the pencil. No, this will be dark. Because the light comes from this angle and this is already hidden. The same will apply here. It will be a counterpart of this. So this is dark, but those are light, while this is light and those are dark. And this makes a lot of sense. Now, I want to add a double here and a double here, just to make things a little bit more fun. Okay, and B. Okay, so this is a double one, and here will be a second one. So, okay. Like this. Now the dark one and the light one. Now this looks like if it was an inherent part of all the tiles, and I like it. Actually, I could create a tile that would be stairs, and instead of creating like a graphic that will be on top of a tile, it would be a tile. Anyway, I now need to locate the middle. I just drew a straight line using a pencil. I will never achieve such thing again. So here's the middle. We want a small circle in there, like this big. Why does it have to have this strange, irregular thing here? Gone and gone. Cool. This will be, is it big enough? is not. So I know what I will do. I can actually get rid of those here. Let me quickly select all of them. No. I always make this mistake when clicking with the wand that I will select with the plus sign. I select with the middle of the wand. Okay, so let's take this. Oh, by the way, I need the darker color again. So let's take this, and now let's go around this shape. The question is it big enough now? I can round around this shape again. And even do this to make it more circly. I have practice in doing such circles, believe me or not. Okay, this is fine. Yeah, this is the great size. This is the best size, actually. Now, let's double this up. Actually, let me think about how I want to double that up. Yeah, I'll wait with the doubling up part. For now, let me add black to the picture. Right here. In the middle of this metal rod, there will be dark. For no specific reason. It will be just black. Blackness all over. Like this. Now this will look terrible. Let's get rid of it. Good thing I was doing it in one stroke, so I could just delete it, all of it. Actually, I have an idea. So, now, I want this whole thing like this, as it was with the black color. Now, this color will go here, 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 and here. Now this will go here, this place, this, and this. Actually, I'll just add those two places here. Nice. And now I can select this color in the middle, get rid of those two lines. Now we have the middle of the stairs. Now, the stairs will be, I need to divide this thing. Let me take a red color. In how many parts can I divide a quarter? so long that it makes sense. Actually, this looks pretty decent. Yeah. So let me just brush up the rest of those. If we keep up this pace, we should be done with the game on tomorrow's stream, which makes me extremely happy. Where did I go wrong with this one? Wow. Wow. I'm off by a few pixels here. Let me measure that. So I'm selecting this bit. Actually, no, this whole bit. Like this. Going here. Pasting it. Yeah, I did a goof here. Because it should be like this. Nice. Okay, now back to line drawing. Best thing ever. Word. Okay, so now we have it divided into equal parts. Now, all of those stairs will have like, yeah, I know how I want to divide them now. Okay, I have an idea. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stairs, with this one being the topmost stair in this whole flight of stairs. So let's begin with that. Like this. Now I want to add this is the thing with the red lines. I cannot just select all of them now. Actually, I can. By filling this up. Okay, so this will be my stair. My one stair. That will have like this border here. I'm getting aggressive from simply looking at this red color. I should have chosen another one, like, I don't know, yellow, green. Green would be good. Okay, so now we have this. And actually, I'll finish it up here. Now, this stair will also be finished up on this side the same way. Yeah, they're going to be white here. I don't care. I will override it by hand anyway, so. Boom. Like this. Now I need to know again the middle. Like this. Nice. Now the whole inside will be like this. Cool. And now let's add this here. Actually, the light will be done for each individually. So first of all, I get rid of this white here. Nice. What did I do here? I don't know what I was thinking when I was doing it, but I'm ashamed of myself, and I will now go and... Oh, I get it. Okay. Okay. I did not think about it too much. Okay, so now we have this, which will be now selected. I now need to add more to the selection, like this. Like this, like this. Yeah, and I will just select all of those. Now I need to get rid of those. There is no keyboard shortcut for connecting this, like this. I could actually just go ahead and this, and we're done. Okay, copy that bit. And I will place it on a different layer that I will make invisible immediately and then create a new layer. Just to make sure that everything is all right. Nice. Create a new layer. On this layer, paste. And again. I will now try to move it here and simply go like this. Boom. Wonder shot. Copy this bit. Create a new layer. Paste it. Oh my, no. Paste it. Move it just a little bit up top here. And let's go overboard with selection. Boom. And we're actually home with those. Now, since all of them are on different layers, and I have the master template here. Actually, no, I just hide all of them. Because now what I need to do is get rid of the master template on this part of the image. Like this. Nice and clean. That is because I want to create the other 4/8. Too far. Okay. We're getting there, slowly but surely. Okay, now we need this part. Let me take the red line again. And, oh, by the way, now I need to this. No, this is correct. Okay, line, red color. Oh, really? Yeah, really. Okay. I can actually accept that. So now select this. Let's get nice and fill this in. No, actually not. Let's create a new layer and play around filling this in on this layer. Now flood fill this. Yeah, I need to change the scope to the picture. Thank you. And flood this and this. Nice. Okay. This is satisfactory. And as such, I will just see how much I need to fill in with the dark colors. Okay. So now, let's just go here, bad, okay, B. This, this, and this. Get rid of this bit here. And we have our flight of stairs. Okay. Now we need to change what we actually care for. Nice. Okay. Copy this bit, create a new layer, paste. Let's move it here, adjust. Okay, create new layer, paste. Move this here, adjust. Or not. Copy it, create a new layer, paste. And rotate. Move down by 1. And now if we appear all of our layers, we should see it being built. Now I will go layer by layer and add the shading. From the bottom up. Now, okay, so the light goes like this. This is actually an easy one. A easy one. Now again, let's change what we look at. Boom. P. And this bit. Like this. Okay, we have this shaded properly. Next one is this. So we have black colors. So we begin with it. Did you know that a new Jigsaw Saw movie is coming out? I'm a fan of the Jigsaw series, so I'm pretty hyped for it. Some might say that I'm sick for liking such a monstrous series, but I am like, meh. It's entertaining. Nothing happens to me. Now some people say, yeah, nothing happens to you, so all is good. Yeah, all is good actually, because that's how it should be. I do not stress about someone else's problems unless I'm involved. Or they need help and ask me to help. I'm actually a little less of a person right now in your eyes, probably. But that's alright. I can deal with that. Okay, so we have a second thing. Let's go to the fourth part. We have the light color, so we begin with the light. This should actually, every time I change a layer, appear a layer automatically jump to it. That would be pretty awesome to see. Like this, like this. Boom. And this bit. Those are the easy ones that I'm doing right now. The harder ones will be the ones on the other side. Oh my, this one perfect stroke up has gone. Oh my, again. And again, what is happening to me now? I will do it in micro strokes. Or not. I did some medium strokes. Okay, so this begins to look good. Let's jump to this layer now. So we begin with the dark. We already have some practice here. Not only with filling up pixels, but also with knowing what color goes where. Actually, this will be light. Like this. Now, K, B. My hand is sliding to the right. Okay. This is cool. This looks awesome. Now, the next up is this one. So let's go ahead and add the light right here to this place. By the way, I'm gonna fill it with a line. Just because I can. And I will do the same with the darker color in a moment. This is now dark, this bit here, because this is almost like on the other side. So, line, boom. Now, pencil, this, yeah. This is on the other side of the spectrum already. We do not commit mistakes, just happy little accidents. Everything we do, we can make better, including ourselves. Okay, this will be dark. Okay, and now with the line, like this. So this will be light, this will be light, this will be light. And this, and the line now. Boom. Pencil, like this. We are almost going to hours because I'm so dedicated to finishing it. Okay, another one finished. Let's get to the two last ones. Now this will be tricky because light falls from this angle. Now what will those colors here be? This is a perfect 45-degree angle, and I will assume this will be light, the other one will be dark, like this. Okay, so I have now light. So let there be light. Yeah, like this. Light is taking up most of the space here. Available for the light, at least. I know this will look strange. But I do not want any middle tones. As the tone of the floor there. Actually, that would be actually so bad, now that I think about it. No light at all would be in that place. Something to consider. Yeah, let me try that actually. Give me this. Now I need, what is your, oh. Yeah, since it's a perfect 45-degree angle, it looks a lot better if there's no light at all. I like it. Okay. Now, light, light, dark. Yeah. So now, the dark will be the first. This bit, this here, place, spot, dots, pixels, locations, little quads. I don't know so many terms for small rectangles. Okay, B. Okay, let's go here. This. We are slowly approaching the point where we have everything. Yes, we do. Let's get rid of the grid. Let's see how it looks. Good. It looks very good. Now, I want for the platform that someone stands on to be this one. Sounds good? I know, right? Therefore, this one does not change. But we go to this one now. Oh, by the way, I'll rearrange them a little bit. Let me just make this. Why did it go this way? Okay. Now, the stairs will be left-handed. Now, this, we need this one as the next, the top one, this one, then we need this one here, this one. Cool. Now, we'll go to change how bright it is and go darker by 10 every step. $50. The colors will still be distinguishable. $60. 70. Now, what I need is a rising shadow. That engulfs the stairs from this point here. It looks goodish. Actually, this last here should be darker than it is. How can I achieve that effect? I could make another border, like here. That would engulf all of the other borders. Yeah, sounds all right. Because this doesn't belong here. It looks like this. Okay, let's get to that. So what we need is this color. And we are going to just fill in all of those. Like this. I still have my eraser on the ready. In case I fuck up, I can just, oh my, this had to go in the swearing direction, I guess. Sorry for that. If I done goof and bamboozle myself in the process, that sounded, I don't know, worse by a small margin. This is slowly getting traction. What I'm doing right now. I don't know how it will look yet. But we're getting there. Okay. This. This should actually give it, in my feeling, understanding, a little more depth, I guess. Oh, this is too far. This is dark. Boom, like this. Cool. Cool beans. Now the last bit is to add the shade of this thing to those here. So we go here, take this into account, P. Okay. This shadow should actually be a little bit longer. Than this one. So let's fix that real quick. Okay, we have something here. Now, the last bit is that I need more of this. Actually, I should do everything here. Over this bit. Yeah, I'll go like this. This is a straight stair, so it shouldn't be a problem, I guess. If I just went like this. So, we got the shady part of the stair here. Now a little less, because a rounded one will be here. Yeah, so we are going to go like this. Yeah, and the rest is shade. Except for the dark part here. Okay. Actually, I can just take a flat fill and do this. No, I cannot. I'll do this. Now, flat fill, boom. And the same goes for this bit. Didn't do a mistake yet, but I'm cautious. Okay. Actually, I'll take this color and do a little adjustment right here. Now, this bit can stay. Yeah, this is more like it. It's higher and under a slight sloped situation. So here will be like a little bit shady at this point, but not much. Actually, the shade will go like this bit. So give me this dark. Okay. That's more like it. Yeah. Let me fix a little bit of this, because that was too much. Yeah. And now this will be a lot darker. So give me this dark here. Now let's go ahead and do this. No light reflexes here. Give me this and this. And let me fill those with this. And give me the pen and deselect. Like this. Cool. I went too far on 1 pixel there. At least I think I did. Don't quote me on that part. I'm not sure if I missed my cue there at one point. Okay. And this does not have any light on it at all. It will have just this. There's no light so deep. Now this, we add here a little layer of this because there's a stair just above it that's dark as hell. Like this. Actually, no, this bit can stay as it was. We'll do this. Actually, yeah, let's just select this and just fill in this. Cool. Okay. So now we have stairs that are like even shaded. I hope kind of correctly. Yeah, I'll add a little bit of space here. This will be enough. This and this. Okay. And I'm leaving that as it is. We have the spiral staircase. And this is where we come from, because we are going up. Actually, no, we are going down. There's a dungeon. So those are the stairs to the next level. We just appear somewhere on the map and we need to get to the stairs after we eat everything. Cool. So let me save that. PNG. Stairs down. I don't have time to do stairs up, therefore I'll just give up the notion. Nice. Of course, all pixel arts will be better with time. Like everything in life. Everything gets better with time. So let me create a stair prefab. Sprite. Boom. I like it. Now point, apply. Nice. Okay, so I need to go now to the code here of the level again and add a vector 2 stairs down point. Cool. So this stairs down point will change the tile, the game object, to a different game object in the level builder. Yeah, I'll do that this way. So now, since we have that, I want for the stairs in the level to be at 3, 3. Cool. Now those are stairs down. Not starries, oh my. Stairs down. Okay. Now prefabs. The stairs do not need anything for now. Actually, they will need a collider, a circle collider. For the stairs themselves. Yeah, like this. This can stay that way. And this is a trigger. And this trigger will only trigger when we collect all the eggs from this level. Only then can we go down the stairs. Yeah, sounds about right. And this will be stairs apply. I like that. Now delete. But here's the thing. I need to add it here in the place tiles. Actually, no. I will add a different method here that will be place stairs. Stairs. Layout dot stairs down point. Now I need to get what is at this location, at the stairs down point. So what I'm going to do is var tile to exchange equals tiles dot where x dot coordinates. Yeah, get component tile dot coordinates equals stairs down point. So there is a tile that has those coordinates for sure. Because as the creator of the level, I need to ensure that. So now I simply have to tiles find index of tile to exchange dot game object. So, x dot x equals tile to exchange. This is first or default actually. Save. Now this makes more sense. Now I want for this to be replaced by my stairs equals stairs. What am I doing with my fingers today? Equals instantiate stairs down, stairs. This position, the position will be of the tile to exchange dot transform dot position. No, it has to have a parent, and this parent has to be the tile container. False. Var index equals this index, and now tiles index dot transform dot position equals tile to exchange transform dot position. Actually, I can just copy over this bit here. Traversability, yeah. So I need a position, I need its coordinates. So tile dot get component coordinates equals tile exchange get component coordinates, and copy, paste, and paste. Tile dot traversable equals true. Now what I need to do is just add the stairs. Public game object stairs. Transform. Save. Now I need to assign the game controller my new stairs object. Wait for it to compile. Like this. Let's see if it is placed correctly. It might be. but we didn't destroy the tile above it. And now destroy tile to exchange. Save. Now we're cooking. I guess, I hope, I think, at least. So what is this null? Okay. Let me try that again. Let's pause that and see. So the stairs down has been created. I need to find the tile that has 3, 3 coordinates. 3, 8. Here. Get rid of you. Okay, so it seems like my stairs are placed correctly. Yep. But for some reason I cannot get rid of the object itself. So on line 39, so this. I'm trying to get the component tile of, oh! Stairs down is not tile. I done goofed. Better. Save. Now it will be better. Because now it can be traversable and it has coordinates of its own. Boom. Oh boy, an egg! I am dead. I don't know why. Anyway, this will be it for today. I would need to end anyway, so thank you everybody so much for joining. As you can see here, we have slowly building up a great minigame for our Cherry Jam with the themed dungeons. Tomorrow, I will do some off-camera work to make it more polished and good looking and more levels. I will add more levels. Maybe even on camera, but what I want to do tomorrow is add the menu for the game. So, again, thank you everybody so much for joining me. Have a nice evening. I will see you everybody tomorrow. Remember to subscribe and comment if you want to see more of those streams. And follow me on Twitter to be notified when I stream. I always send a Twitter notification. In the right-hand corner, we have a playlist with all the other episodes of the stream. For some reason, I have a British accent right now.